I'm not sure if you have recovered from the thrill of the recently concluded ICC 2020 World Cup yet. Let us pause today and talk about what these mega celebrations really mean for us. The final match. Millions of eyes glued to the screens at the same time. Thousands in the stadium. Families at home, friends in the cafes, everyone sharing the same heartbeat. This is not just cricket, it is the pulse of a nation. Before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoy the content, do not forget to like and share the video. Now, let us look at the powerful benefits these mega events brings. I personally see three main benefits. Number one, economic growth. It is not just the players who earn. Over 750 million people tuned in on the streaming platforms, generating massive ad revenue and broadcasting right deals. Local businesses around the stadiums, travel, food, hospitality, all thrive. Like festivals, these events boost the economy and uplift communities. Benefit number two, joy and social connection. Festivals, celebrations, cricket, all these bring happiness. But beyond joy, they connect us. Science says one person can only maintain close ties with approximately 150 people. Yet, events like the World Cup unite millions under one emotion. This time, people stood together with a shared identity, India. Benefit number three, pride and national unity. When Malayalis rallied behind Sanju Samson, it showed how personal pride can transform into a national unity. Just as Argentina is recognized worldwide through football, India shines globally through cricket. These events just don't entertain. They strengthen our sense of belonging as well as pride. Big events, be it cricket, festivals, or celebrations, are forces that move our society forward. So, let us not remain passive spectators in these events. Let us be participants because every celebration unites us and elevates our nation. Next time a grand event comes along, step in, join the joy, and be part of the progress. Together we celebrate and together we rise. And with that, I wish each of us the strength to contribute to our nation's journey of growth. Thank you.